757! Is that? No way. No. That's a go around. That just. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh, there it goes. Wow. That is unbelievable. I wonder why it went around. Well, I'm gonna watch its journey. Wow, no way. I was so excited that such a rare plane is coming. Then it just does a whole go around. That's incredible. Oh, I love the 757 so much. There it is. This is at Manchester Airport, by the way. I'm just eating at this restaurant and doing some plane spotting because they come right above us. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on CAC World because CAC World, I love CAC World. Don't want to lose this plane. Oh, is that another one coming? I hear another plane. Right, where is it? There it is. Oh, just went into a cloud. Oh no. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. We just had a Ryanair come in. Yeah, and the 757 should be on its way back now. And hopefully it'll land this time, so we'll see how it goes. I've just seen the lights, the beautiful lights. There we go. That's the beautiful 757. Okay, I'm gonna back up now. Okay, I'm ready. Here we go. Jet2 Holidays 757. Yay! Yippee! There it goes. Let's see if we can. Can you see it? It's gone. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, okay. It's been very fun.